Since our goal is to make the blog a members-only area, we'll need to create a registration form and a login page. Once a user registers, the data will be stored into a database. We'll need to create the database before creating the login and registration page. Let's go ahead and launch phpMyAdmin so we can create the database. With phpMyAdmin loaded, click the New button so we can create the database. And we'll give it the name Perfect Cup. Just be careful with the spelling to make sure it's correct. And for the collation, choose UTF Unicode CI and click Create. Now you should see the database appear on the left column. So just click on it when it does. Once you do that, you'll have the option of creating a table. And we're going to create a new table. You can name the table Members and give it 5 columns. The first column will be named ID. The type will be integer, 15 characters max. Set the index to primary because it'll be our primary key. And check off auto increment. The next column will be fname and make that varchar 25. Next is lname, email, and password. Again, be careful that the spelling is correct and there's no typos. So password will be varchar as well, but set the length to 250 characters. And before I click save, I'll just confirm everything is okay. So once you've done that, just click the save button. And you'll see your members table pops up on the left column as well. Now that we have the database and table created, you can minimize phpMyAdmin because we'll be working with it a bit later on. So I'll just move that out of the way for now.